Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Derry.
My name is Zach.
Are we the same?
Yes or no?
What do you think?
Today I want to talk about our differences.
We all look and like different things. Being ourselves makes us happy
And live in a playful world.
When we learn and treat each other kindly, we can be better friends.
Let's enjoy our difference and make everyone special.
Good afternoon, everyone.
My name is Leanne.
Have you ever wondered that how each of us are different? That is something truly special.
No matter if it's our appearance, interests, or even our abilities.
Why don't you look at the person beside you? Oh, I'm going to talk about our differences. For example, both of us like playing chess and sports.
My classmate and I have differences. Our differences are special. Well, I can dance ballet, but my classmate can't. Holding to our uniqueness is a key for our physical and mental emotions.
Let us be grateful and celebrate our difference and create a world where everyone feels better.